Welcome! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install a full motion TV bracket safely and correctly. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools, including a drill, level, screwdriver, measuring tape, pencil, and the hardware included with the mounting kit. Start by locating the wall studs or choosing a solid wall that can safely support the weight of your TV. Mark the drilling points carefully using the wall plate as a template, then drill the holes and securely attach the wall bracket using the appropriate screws and anchors. Next, install the mounting arms onto the back of your TV using the correct screws provided with the kit. Be careful not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the television. With the help of another person, carefully lift the TV and hook it onto the wall bracket. Once it's securely in place, tighten the safety screws or locking mechanism according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now you can adjust the bracket to achieve the perfect viewing angle. Full motion TV brackets allow you to tilt, swivel, and extend the TV for maximum comfort and flexibility. Before finishing, double check that every screw is tight and that the TV is firmly secured. If you found this installation guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more installation tutorials and product reviews. Thanks for watching.